A strategic approach for new SEO client starting a new SEO project or want to check ongoing project. Use the following approach, which include a mix of specific keyword research, testing important assumptions, and growing traffic and rankings with link building and copywriting. Starting a new SEO project or want to check ongoing project. Use the following approach, which includes a mix of specific keyword research, testing important assumptions, and growing traffic and rankings with link building and copywriting. A specific way to do keyword research. Google keyword research. Start with good market knowledge. Keyword research can even serve as additional market research. I always start keyword research with a brainstorm session together with my customer. During this session, we create a map with every topic and subtopic related to their services. We list a couple of keyword examples for each subtopic. It's important to get client-facing people involved in this process because companies tend to think in industry-specific terminology that their potential clients would never use as keyword. Search volumes. Average monthly volume. Reliable keyword data is scarce, and Google only gives you rough estimate from the AdWords Keywords Planner. Search volume estimates and their historic trending provide a good enough starting point for strategic SEO choices. You can always get additional keyword ideas from paid tools like SEMrush, but Google is the only real data source for search volumes, and others can only guess. Start out by creating a list of potentially interesting keywords based on our map. On your map, the AdWords Keyword Planner has a search for new keyword and add group ideas function in which you can enter groups of keywords to receive additional related keyword combination. Once added to so-called AdWords plans, even if you do not intend to use them for AdWords, you can get search volume estimates for exact match combination. Various paid tools have similar functionality, but the end result should always be the same. A list of 500 keyword combination with their historic monthly search volumes for the localities your client services. You can use Excel for further processing. Conversion rates. Adding estimates for conversion rate and value makes the search volumes a lot more usable for strategic choices. If there is no existing data to base your assumptions on, guess on a 1 to 5 scale on how relevant is the keyword to our services is a good start. You can always tweak this data once you have had more experience with similar keyword combination. Having grouped or tagged your keyword during this first stage makes that a lot easier. Competitiveness and the likelihood that you will reach a top 10 position also makes certain keywords more interesting than others. Again, a guess on a 1 to 5 scale is a good start, but there are paid tools available that do keyword specific competitive analysis. The end result is a list of keywords you can order and sort in different ways to help you make various strategic SEO choices. It is, however, a list based on assumptions, and the certainty of each of those assumptions should also be taken into account. Step 2. Testing important assumptions. Important keyword from your keyword research should have a high search volume, a high conversion rate per value for that search traffic, and a likely top 10 position.